Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error message, no posts yet, try again on Instagram. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is click off your Wi-Fi. So swipe down from the upper right hand corner of your screen and just click off the Wi-Fi symbol. The reason we switch to LTE or a cellular connection is because sometimes a cellular connection is much stronger than a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if switching to LTE didn't work, the next thing we're going to do is check for an update. So let's head over to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you're going to type in Instagram in the search bar. So to the right of Instagram, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your app. The reason we update our apps is to get rid of any lags or bugs the previous update may have had. Now, if updating your app and switching to LTE doesn't work, the next thing we can do is offload the app. So let's go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go to general. And once you're in general, you're going to go to iPhone storage. From here, you're going to scroll down to Instagram. Go ahead and click Instagram. And then you're going to press offload app and confirm it. The reason we offload our apps is to clear the cache in the app. Go ahead and reinstall. Okay, and you have successfully offloaded your app. I hope one of these things helped you. If they did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.